Crypto and stocks reacted to a tariff war that was started by the United States on February 1st. And you can see we had a huge decline in price here from 105, 106K all the way down to 92K, 91.85K. And which this whole tariff war caused about $2 billion in crypto liquidations and saw Bitcoin dropping, like I said, all the way down to 92K. Before it sort of settled at 96K, it's important to note that this tariff war that was started caused more money to evaporate from people in the crypto community's hands than either FTX or the Luna crash in the last bear market, bull market. So thank you, the United States, for starting a needless trade war. And anyways, I'm getting ahead of myself. So what happened? February 1st, Trump announced that the US would be putting blanket tariffs on goods from Canada, Mexico, and China, and also hinted that it would also be tariffing the EU among a bunch of other places like Colombia and so on. He's been talking about doing this for several months now, and this is one of the campaign promises that I think a lot of people thought he wouldn't follow through on. And, you know, buy the rumor, sell the news. This would be a good example of that happening for sure. That announcement tanked both the crypto and the stock markets. But then a day later, all the countries who Trump tariffed responded with counter tariffs that caused Trump to put a pause to his aggressive tactics and start negotiating. It's confusing to me. It's like almost like he expected all of these other countries to just sit back and take it without any response or something. I don't know. I'm not the president of the United States. I don't know what's going through his head. But anyways, that pause also put a pause to downward motion in the markets. We saw a rebound off of 92, go up to 102K, and then it settled back down around 96K as of the time of this video. But the pause is only for a month. And he's still threatening to continue this trade war and to counter tariff the counter tariffs and put tariffs on even more nations. So there's quite a bit of uncertainty in the market because of this. So let's read through a couple articles here. This article by The Defiant says cryptocurrency market recorded mild losses on Thursday. So this is an updated article, sort of keeping people up to date. And they say that we've still got some mild losses on Thursday, remaining volatile following President Donald Trump's tariff announcement and subsequent pause. BTC dropped 1.3%, ETH recorded a 3% dip, XRP 6%, Solana 5%. So the overall crypto market capitalization declined by 2.6 in the past 24 hours, and this is an article that came out yesterday. So during this period, 16,000 more leveraged traders were liquidated for another $234 million. This is on top of the $2 billion in liquidations that came from February the 1st. So the recent downturn, analysts suggest, is part of broader market volatility driven by escalating trade tensions between the United States and other countries, including Mexico, China, and Canada. Investor uncertainty has been heightened by President Trump's announcement of the tariffs on both Mexico and Canada, followed by a sudden pause. Antonio Giacomo, a senior market analyst at XS.com, explained that following Trump's agreement with Mexico president, the market outlook briefly improved. However, he noted that despite the short-lived price rebound, volatility remains high, as seen in current trend. Bitcoin continues to face challenges as the Federal Reserve, monetary policies, governing regulations, and the behavior of larger investors. Experts suggest that 100,000 level could become a strong resistance in the short term, making sustained growth too difficult without new catalysts. So US-China trade war. China's also slapped a bunch of retaliatory taxes and trade tariffs on the United States. And yeah, it's just kind of messed some things up. There's this other article here that says the bull run isn't dead and here's why. And so this is what a lot of people have been concerned about. Oh, well, this trade war could just full on kill the bull market and we'll be sort of stuck holding the bag thanks to all of it. But here's some facts. Market pullbacks align with past bull runs, signaling a potential rally. Bitcoin's MVRVZ score shows market stability. Economic indicators suggest ongoing growth despite fears. Historical patterns point to upcoming crypto price surges. So this article kind of talks about this stuff. Crypto news highlights how After a strong Q4 2024 with Bitcoin hitting new all-time highs, the market now appears to be stalling. However, the recent dip in cryptocurrency prices has many investors feeling uneasy. Regulatory concerns, tariffs fears, and pullbacks of 20 to 30% across major tokens have many wondering if the bull market is over. However, the data tells a different story, suggesting that the market is merely catching its breath before taking another leap forward. So pullbacks are common in crypto markets, especially after strong rallies. Bitcoin's MVRV Z-score, metric that measures whether Bitcoin is undervalued or overvalued compared to its fair market value, is signaling that the market may be close to a bottom. A bottom, it says. So if we look at this chart here, we've got similar patterns: 2017 bull market, 2021 bull market, and now here we are in 2024. We can see that in February of that year, it tends to go pretty parabolic. So what's that mean for us? It's kind of hinting that we could see things go pretty crazy in the next month or so, 2 months. Maybe it's possible. I really hope it is, because I really hope we see a good alt cycle still. But they also say that the macroeconomic data supports this growth. They kind of have a few people that they quote here talking about America's GDP and all that kind of stuff. And they still are noting that crypto's following historical patterns pretty consistently. So if it continues to follow these patterns, then the beginning of 2025 will not be when we see the bull market end, apparently, as far as this article says. So what do you guys think? Do you think that the bull market's over? Are we gonna be heading down forever? But let me know in the comments below. And that is it for this episode of What's New Weekly, guys. Thank you for watching. If you guys are watching this in the future, be sure to throw down a like, a follow, subscribe, leave a comment, and don't forget to share this to somebody else you think might find it interesting. And I will see you guys later. Peace. I just want to take a quick segue and talk about our sponsor. It is me, because somebody has to. Along with all the other things that I do, I have resurrected my online store, blockchainon.me. You can find all sorts of crypto-themed art and memes on high-quality items that are perfect for starting conversations at your day job, or maybe at that next event that you guys are going to be going to. Web3 apparel that starts conversations. Blockchain on Me is full of apparel designed to capture the current vibe of Web3. We have the cryptocurrencies collection. Here is the Bitcoin Nomad bag, super awesome. I have one of these. I use it every time I go traveling somewhere, bring it to all my events. Super awesome. I love all the cryptocurrency collection and how it turned out. Collaborated with an artist to make this all happen. Pepe collection. Everybody needs a little bit of a Pepe in their life. Got the Be Nice Man slogan there on some different types of shirts for men, women, and some bottles and cups. Got some stickers. We also have the GM Cult collection and just a few items right now. We might add some more back, but you know, you got GM Inception, GM inside of the GM. Everyone loves the GM coffee. If you're a daily Twitter poster like I am, part of the GM cult, then maybe you want to check this out. Of course, we have to have the HODL collection, nice and simple. So all these items have free shipping worldwide for purchase over $120. And if you guys are looking for a discount, I'll leave a 15% discount code in the comments down below.